Hi everyone, John here for Prepper JAKZ, coming to you with this week's videocast edition of JAKZ FAKZ. Are you ready for this? Then let's get started. This week's local business shout out goes to a couple I just met this week, Robert and Tiffany McNier, the owners of Monster Computers and Laptops here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. These folks came by our store, mentioned that they'd been wanting to stop in to visit, and this week they finally did. They love our store and have lots of connections with Fort Bragg. The reason I'm giving them a shout out this week is because they reached out to help us. And in this day and age where it comes across as what's in it for me and it's all about me, this was a humbling moment, but a breath of fresh air moment at the same time. Because small businesses really should stick together and help each other out as much as possible, especially when there's no direct competition in business models. This moment felt like a neighbor coming by to welcome you to the neighborhood, and it was so amazing. So if you're local to Fayetteville, North Carolina and need any computer work, desktop or laptop, or maybe you just need a new gaming computer, stop in at Monster Computers and Laptops at 6385 Yadkin Rd. Tell Robert and Tiffany we sent you. They'll be happy to help you out. Now, moving on to this week's JAKZ FAKZ. In this modern age of computers, the internet, YouTube, instant access via your phone or tablets, or maybe even a Kindle, preppers and homesteaders gain a lot of knowledge from ebooks and other electronic means. What some have not considered is what happens when the power goes out. You won't have access to power to research tips and tricks on how to start fires, water purification, or even how to build a shelter, or to even boot up your phone to retrieve any of the information you need to survive. A wide range of publications is always a great way to be sure you have all your bases covered in the event of a stuff hit the fan or SHTF moment, or even the end of the world as we know it moment. The fact you have books available for immediate research can mean the difference between life and death. Books are actually very useful prepping tools besides just the obvious. They're good fuel for starting fires, good for that emergency bathroom break in the middle of the woods, and they're even good for emergency paper towel or anything that you could think of where you would need a paper product. So the next time you're thinking about downloading an ebook or getting ready to purchase a book online for e-learning purposes, you might want to give a paper copy a thought for your bag or supplies. It will give you something to read when the lights go out. That wraps up another videocast edition of JAKZ FAKZ, folks. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and tap the bell to be reminded for when we post new video content. We would also sincerely appreciate it if you tell all your friends and families about us too. And also, if you haven't done so, we'd appreciate it if you would follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Prepper JAKZ. And lastly, if you're not local to Fayetteville, North Carolina, you can find almost all of our products on our website, which is www.prepperjakz, that's JAKZ.com. So until next time, remember, if you're not prepared, you don't know JAKZ, Prepper JAKZ, and we thank you for your support. Thanks for watching, everyone.